Once you register for a soil carbon project under the Emissions Reduction Fund, the next step is to baseline your farm.
The starting point of all soil carbon projects is measurement. So the crew's out here taking the soil cores. So we take the cores down to a metre depth, essentially mapping out the underground soil resource, take the samples, send them off to the lab for analysis, measure the soil organic carbon content. The property is 100 hectares, so we're taking 18 samples, 18 cores across the whole property.
So we prepare this map in accordance with the methodology. We assign random points, so we get an unbiased sample. Our job today is to navigate to each of these points and take a soil sample at each of those points.
So we have just extracted the soil sample from the ground and we've determined that it is a metre depth. Now what we're going to do is measure the actual soil sample itself. So we measure it in its entirety. We have confirmed that it is 100 centimetres or a metre deep as well. Now, the soil samples get broken up into two bags. We take the first top 30 centimetres and then the bottom layer in the second bag. Done.
So this is our lighthouse project. We're doing sampling here every year. Using the Soil Key and other soil organic carbon projects, we'll do sampling every 2 years. We're ramping up the analysis here so we get more learnings as to how to improve on other properties. This is the third sampling round. We did our baseline sampling round in 2016. The baseline sets the amount of organic carbon that's on the farm. Each successive round you measure, that's what we compare in terms of the increase of soil organic carbon against the baseline.
So what we're doing here is working with a new type of coring system. With a standard soil coring system, you have a single tube, so you have to push the soil core out of that tube. This is a dual tube system, so we're able to pull the core out in the metal tube and then present it really well for analysis and treatment afterwards. It allows you to deal with soft sandy soils and clayey soils and muddy, wet soils much better than the standard system.
If you'd like to build soil carbon on your farm, give AgriProve a call on 1300 GO SOIL.